If using adhesive, M, to secure the upper portion of the exterior assembly, B, attach 2 adhesives as shown. Peel the covers off the adhesive strips. If the upper portion of the lock is secured using fasteners, install the slotted barrel extension, O, to the exterior assembly using the flathead screwdriver. Note: do not insert any other fasteners besides the slotted barrel extension. Doing so will strip the threads and damage the product. Before placing the exterior assembly on the door, make sure the torque blade is in the vertical position. Make sure the deadbolt is extended. Place the exterior assembly on the door while inserting the torque blade into the vertical slot of the deadbolt and guide the cable through the cross bore hole under the deadbolt.